know it was not easy when we started, and I know we end up by finishing our program. So what I'm going to say is, I'll say thank you for all of you guys to be there when we started this course and until we finish our course. I will say thank you so much to Upskill to bring the program of Cellphone Repair this side. And I know it's not going to be the last one. We're still going to come there. And when we're going to come there, if there is in your community other people who are going to need to learn more about this, tell them, and then so they can what? They can come and join us again. So I'll just say thank you for all of you guys to be here today. And remember, I told you that there will be this day whereby, I don't know, you didn't bring you. You were telling me when I come with you. Wives, you want to come with you. Parents, you want to come with you. I don't know, wherever, but you can see guys, you just come.